Welcome back to Having a Crack. We are catching up on the Escort Mk2 rally car today. It's not staying pink, even though it looks nice and pink.
Does it?
No. But yeah, we're gonna go through what we've been doing with the Escort. It's been a bit neglected really because we've been on the Cortina and doing the engine swap on the van. So if you haven't watched the video, it kind of had a little bit of a mishap at the end of last year at Cadwell Park in the rally, rolled over. If you haven't seen it, this is what happened. Front corner, I reckon that's probably the worst bit. No, the front's pretty beat up. Mainly on that. Yeah, need a new door. Roof. Yeah, need a new roof. So far?
Well, it's been the trips we make.
You enjoying roofs?
Yeah. Sometimes have a roof on it.
Got a new roof.
Roof and a bit of side. Really time to get back on it.
So is that a bit of work done?
Yeah, a little bit of work going on. Tidy up the engine bay again.
Redone in there.
Dash is back together sort of. It's tidy. Roof's on. Just a bit of a few panels over there to fit on.
Bit of sorting out.
Yeah, and should be good to go again.
Nearly back to normal.
Yeah. It's all as it should be in the right places, so.
It looks better than it did last time.
Yeah, definitely. It's looking a bit straighter. paint the door, not the...
I missed.
Oh, here we go then.
You made it.
Oh, you look professional.
What do you mean, why is it professional? I am a professional.
Look at him go, mate. You want to give up, electrician?
I am. Lovely shade of pink.
Lovely bit of colour.
Must have done alright with the primer. Trust them even in colour, but I even trust myself.
Life goes up and it goes down. Life goes up and it goes down. Life goes up and it goes down.
Done.
Painted.
Painted.
That's good enough to hit the back corners out of.
Paint is on. Been up to a few things. Been down to Petrol Hedonism in London. So if you come and said hello, thanks for popping along. Today we are going to be putting this old bus back together, ready for the next rally, which is in a couple of weeks in, is it Abingdon? Abingdon, got that right. So let's crack on. Alright, we've had a few requests about our hoodies. So we've got our expert TV selling personality, Jack,
Why, hello.
to sell one. Go.
What we have here is a hoodie with it's got having the crack right across the back end of it, and a hood, which is the reason it's called a hoodie. And on the man's left arm here, it has Pate Speed Developments. A nice bit of having the crack on the front. A pocket to put your bits and bobs in, your nuts and bolts, spanners and stuff. Very handy little hole there. And on the arm, this right arm, we have having the crack YouTube sticker as well. It's very pretty. It's a nice fat white toggles on the front.
Process. Go. What's going in first?
We're gonna put the shockers on first.
Yeah.
Put all this front end in.
Yeah.
Put the axle in.
Yeah.
Put some wheels on it. Job done, innit?
Fire going.
You just.
What about the engine?
Oh yeah, I'll put one of those in as well.
Might as well.
Yeah,
Whilst we're at it.
He's over there. Waiting, Dusty.
There she is. Ready to rock. Ready to go
I
back
might
in.
put some seats in as well. Put some seats in.
Yeah. Steering wheel.
Try and put a windscreen in.
Yeah. All the mod cons.
Only the best. One pump. This is the 4-link bars. Putting the 4-link bars in now. Then we can bolt the axle to it. Bolt it to the rear shockers.
Yeah.
The riggers.
Nice and clean.
Yes, I didn't clean anything before I took it apart. Rushing.
Authentic.
Rushing around. And then we can bolt the axle in.
Axle is a... What axle is it?
Oh, we got an Atlas axle there, fully floating ends on it. 4-pot APs, vented brakes, Watts linkage on the back, anti-roll bar. Got toe correction, the bars on the front that go to the front of the diff. Try and keep it all nice and straight.
And a penis behind the wheel.
That's
There he
me.
is.
Am I your way or you're my way?
Ventilation.
Oh.
Oh, that.
Oh no, just look it in the shopper and do them. Yeah, hang on, shoppers.
A bit more. What's that? Okay.
Most brilliant brother could ever have.
Well, you come off in for a very with it.
Lock her down here a bit.
A bit more.
One that there first.
You're in the right place, though.
You're in the uterus. A little bit more.
Down. Gotta get down past the clutch. Stay in there and go in a bit now. Still want to get it your way, yeah? Bit more. Ah, there he is.
This is the tool needed to fit an engine.
What is in there?
Seems to be staying out.
It's in there, I see if it stays in there. That seems to be staying there. Job done, isn't it?
Well done.
Start her up, let's go.
Driver on. Oh, what engine?
This is much easier too. Let's go.
Gearboxing.
Oh yes, just putting the gearbox in, putting the gearbox mount on, connect the clutch cable up, and then we'll put the prop shaft on.
Bum bum.
Drivetrain in. I'm doing a proper job here. Proper job.
Almost as bad as the Watts linkage one. Ah, look.
That's not what's link, it's what's chink.
What a familiar sight.
Broken van.
I think the kid wants to learn to abuse it less.
Bump.
Less abuse, lasts longer.
We're having a bit of problems here.
How's your phone? Quit filming my ball patch, please.
Yeah, you see your head.
Good. Bold and cute.
Just looks like an egg in a nest.
Cheers, Shaggy.
Oh, that was nasty, wasn't it?
I can't see. It's just your hands.
Nasty.
It's just your hands I can see. then, he's all back up and running, back together. A few little things left to bolt on: doors, bonnet, front grille, headlights, rear lights. Nothing major. Windscreen, yeah, that'll help. Nothing major really, just a few little finishing off bits. We're just going to see if it runs nicely now. Should do. Nothing wrong with the engine after his little tumble. So yeah, we'll see how it gets on. That's it, all wrapped up for this video. We'll see you on the next one. All you got to do is
like and subscribe.
That's about it then, really.
Yeah,
isn't
that's all wrapped up, I think.
Try not to roll over again this time, please.
Try not to.
It's not very cost effective.
Many hours.
Many hours.
Bye!
Bye.